here, ano yun, no? So here, 10 seconds holding ano, ha? Up and hold, 10 seconds, okay, up. Okay, good. 1. Count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, tanawa ha? So, butan na lang, oh. Dato puti na. Pero, binigay na, no? Kung mo na siya gitawag gasolina. 38 caliber pa rin sa aloy, no? There. Okay, aloy. Side to side, no? Ang side niya, 110, okay? Side, 1, okay? So now, count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Paway. So here, no? Bangon ka ng tutod. Ako ipakita nyo, no? Sunahan pa rin. Metal sa loob, no? There you are, here, no? Dokabok. That's 1.1, 2.2. Tapos here, no? Again. Karon. So, again, tagaan na to more ang iyahang low extremity by which dugay maayo ang iyahang upper, no? Ngayon na itong bukod kasulina gito mga yun, there. Alright. Bakila nyo yun, iyahang bukod to. Bukod lang yun, kaya sulit kayo, pagbril lang ito, no? So, aloy, up, niya, piko, no? Ayan, here, no? 1 to 10, down. Okay, up. Here. Good, down. Good. 6, 7, 8, count yun. 9, good, this one. 10, again, okay, so here, again, the last one, katong ihangin, napuno ko, the anterior one. So here, pinubre lagi ito ng mga, sorry, no? There. So again, I would like to thank everybody, Arwin, no? So, ligo-ligo na kabadi, nabot na ka sa Hollywood, no? Again, thank you, and this is our third treatment sessions, no? They follow this one, because lagi, pagka 8 sessions, mula kawan siya, no? There. Again, this is my body Arwin, no? Here. Again, this is our third treatment sessions, and then attack is 8 days from the attack, no? From the follow this one, yeah? Again, thank you.